Yo, this beat sounds like 2 Chainz. Yo, 2 Chainz, interpretation. Alright. 2 Chainz. I make no sense. Yeah. I wear 2 chains. I got 2 pistols. Yeah. Fuck you, bitch. I'ma shoot you. Yeah, man. Cause I'm going outside. And I like to ride in my car. I'm the fucking man. Yeah, I wear 2 glasses and I have 2 hands. Yeah, yeah. I'm so black, man. Can't you tell? Look at me. That shit is fucking ill. Yeah, because I'm master. I give the thrills. Fuck the girls and the bitches. I fuck them once, I kill them twice. I'm fucking stupid cause it's 2 chains. I make 1 thing into 2. Yeah, fuck you, woo. I think I'm better than you. Yo. Yeah, cause I always carry 2 of everything. I got 2 socks, 2 shoes, I got 2 rings. Check it, I carry 2 Glocks. Yeah, I 2 shoot people in the dome piece. Fuck them, man, they're going to rest in peace. 2 stones, man, that shit is fucking the shit. Yeah, cause I said it twice. Yeah, you understand that shit? It's fucking nice. Yeah, I'm posting up live. Yeah, that means I'm on a studio. I'm the fucking best. Yeah, I think everyone shits on each other's chests. Yeah, I do it. I do it twice.